Hi, Paula Jo from SederQuilts with a quick tip Tuesday for you. So have you ever been quilting along with your ProStitcher and for whatever reason something's not working right and something crashes and aren't you glad that you save your workspaces? I try to be very careful and neat about how I save my workspace so I can at any point clear everything, shut down, start back up, and when I bring back my workspace, it's pretty quick and easy to reposition. It may take a little while for it to load because I have so much on here. As you can see, I have lots of things on here, but because I know how to use the basic functions such as modify and reposition, I am able to put my real needle on the real quilt where I really want things to be, and with just the touch of one button, bottom left, and refresh to the house, I now have things pretty close to where they should be. And I can go double check a couple of spots, and yes, my corner is very, very close to where it needs to be. So now I can just fine tune. But yeah, save your workspace, keep it nice and neat, and things reposition nicely. If you'd like to learn more about ProStitcher and quilting on your long arm, follow me, Paula Jo at SederQuilts. Take some classes from me. See you soon. Check me out on YouTube too, at SederQuilts. See you later. Tutoluu.